Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Enel X Way EV charging app access step by step clearly. To begin, download the Enel X Way app from your device's app store. Install the app by following the on-screen prompts. Once the installation is complete, tap on the Enel X Way icon to open it. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select the option to register for a new account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and confirm it in the next field. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box provided. Tap on the Register button to submit your information. Check your email for a verification message from Enel X Way. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the app after verification. Log in using your registered email and password. You may now need to enter additional personal information, like your name and phone number. Complete any required fields to finish setting up your profile. You will be asked to allow the app access to your location for charging station navigation. Enable location services when prompted. Once all steps are completed, you'll have full access to the Enel X Way charging app. Explore the app to find charging stations near you. Customize your settings according to your preferences. Get ready to enjoy a seamless electric vehicle charging experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.